Hi, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk-around video on this stunning titanium Mitsubishi Pajero Sport GLX. Now starting off at the front, I'm going to walk you through the vehicle and show you the actual condition and some of the features as well. This kind of kilometers, as you can imagine, the condition is pretty much pristine all the way around. However, in terms of the features, on the front end, as you can see, you do get that iconic Mitsubishi diamond shield kind of look to it, with the open grille at the front as well. That glass badging there tells me that you do get adaptive cruise control in this model. Those sharp headlights, they do have a projector bulb in it, so you do get a very clear beam of light with the clear cutoff being a projector bulb. The first alloy wheel there, really nice brushed aluminium kind of look, completely unmarked. There's still plenty of tread left in those Bristol tires. You do get chrome door handles and side mirrors. Now it is keyless entry and ignition. The side mirrors do have the indicator built into them, and if you press the button, the door lock button, the windows do fold in. Pressing it again does actually unfold the mirrors and allow you to get in the car. Now being the GLX, you do get those nice comfortable cloth seats. You also get this seat adjusters here, and even though it was probably a demo model, the doors and everything are all in really good condition, so people haven't actually been kicking it open. Next wheel, once again, completely unmarked, still plenty of tread left in the tires. Now if we pan up to the windows quickly, you will notice the back windows are a little bit darker. Now that is privacy glass, so it is not tinted, so if you wanted the UV protection and the heat reduction advantages of window tint, I would highly recommend you ask us about it. On the back end here, you do get those nice long tail lights that the Pajero Sport had. You've also got a high mounted stoplight and rear wiper as well. Having a look in the back now, as you can see, you do get your genuine floor mats in here as well. There is heaps of space in the back of the Pajero Sport, so plenty of storage if you wanted to put anything in the back. Closing that back up, as you can see, you get your reverse parking sensors and reverse camera. All the way along this side of the vehicle, the paintwork is in immaculate condition. The fuel filler cap is on this side. That next wheel, once again, completely unmarked. And making our way down to the next wheel, once again, just like the other three, completely unmarked. So what we're going to do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Bonnet now, what we have here is a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The vehicle itself does have an 8-speed automatic gearbox, giving you a very smooth drive. Now the ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars with 7 airbags. You get 133 kilowatts of power out of this engine and 430 newton meters of torque, so plenty of torque there for any towing you need to do. The diesel fuel tank holds 68 litres and gives you a combined fuel consumption of about 8 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance of about 850 kilometers from a full tank. A look inside the Triton. Now just in the driver's side door here, you do get all your power window controls. Now the front driver's side is automatic up and down. Just above that again, you've got your central locking buttons and the window lock. Now on the right hand side of the steering wheel again, you've got forward collision mitigation, your parking sensors and traction control buttons. Just above that is your power mirror controls, so there is a button there that lets you actually fold your mirrors in if you wish. Just on the right hand stalk, you've got your headlight and indicator controls, and on the left hand side, or your washers and wipers. Now the steering wheel itself, very nice leather wrapped steering wheel. You've got your cruise control and speed limiter settings just up here. You've also got your adaptive cruise control distance setting, the menu controls for your digital display between the clusters. On the left hand side, you've got all your media controls, and you've also got your hands-free call settings. Now on the center display itself, if I put the car into reverse, you can see you get a nice wide view rear view camera there. If you did have a tow bar fitted, you can see the tow ball very clearly as well. In terms of your media, you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, AM and FM radio, as well as digital radio. Now Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are very beneficial because they do use Google Maps for your navigation, which means live traffic updates, and you never have to pay for map updates. Just below that, your dual zone your climate control, so you can actually just set your temperature and the car will decide to regulate the vents accordingly. Just below that, your rear air conditioning controls, a 12-volt socket, and the shifter itself. When you bring it into drive and bump it to the left, you can switch through the gears with the shifter or the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Just behind that again, super select forward drive, so you can actually change your forward drive setting on the fly up to 100 kilometers an hour. Got your downhill descent control, forward drive mode, and your electric park brake. Behind that again, 2 cup holders and that velvet wrapped center console there. When you open it up, You do get a little tray in here if you wanted to store a phone or something. Just in there, you've got HDMI, 2 USB ports, and an actual 150 watt plug socket as well. Now if we pan around the interior, you will notice the vehicle is in really good condition. On this kind of kilometers, you would probably expect nothing short of near perfect. Much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Pajero Sport. Now if you would like to take it for a test drive, please give us a call, and a couple of things I would highly recommend is please do your part to protect your investment. Ask us about the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork, prevent it from fading, oxidization, and a variety of other environmental damages. And the premium mechanical protection plan, because that's going to give you an extra 5 years of cover on top of your existing new car warranty on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. That covers you up to 200,000 kilometers or 5 years, whichever comes first. You also get 10 years of platinum roadside assist and $3,600 claims, unlimited claims over the course of that plan. So if you have any questions about that, do not hesitate to ask us. And if you're using our in-house finance, although they adjust your finance payments by a very small amount, Julie and Mario can tailor a package to suit your needs and fit all that in there as well. The other thing is, have a look at our Google reviews. We're sitting on 4.8 stars with over 900 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So people enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easy, and we like to ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. Once again, the number is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.